everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to access your science resource. So open your browser and type in trunity.org. This is the welcome page. You will find this login button on the top right corner. Click on it. It goes here. Okay, so now I would recommend you to press this remember me on your laptops and log in and save it also. Okay, so once you log in, you will find your book here. This will say about science, your class, the teacher's name, and the school name. All right, so my book is opened here. It says welcome to HMH Science Dimensions grade. If I click on these three horizontal lines, I can get a different view with all the topics, the units, chapters mentioned on the left hand side. I can expand this unit 1 to see what's inside here, and there it goes. And I can click on any of the lessons to explore it more. Okay, so by the end of this lesson, I'll be able to describe how people understand problems and meet technology. You can move on to the next page by clicking on this right arrow here. Okay, so understanding the problem, there are 3 types of problems given, and so on. So there are unit resources at the end of each unit. Okay.
Follow the steps. Build a house that cannot be blown down by wind. Download the worksheet to complete the investigation.
Okay, so you can download this PDF file to work on it. And this is all about your Trunity science resource. That's it.